From childhood books, we remember owls as full-fledged creatures of the night, prowling silently for mice, then spending the daylight hours catching up on sleep before the next twilight hunt. Over time, the word owl even became attached to people who love to sleep in and only come alive at night, reaching peak energy long after others have gone to bed. But what else do we really know about these charming, wide-eyed birds that look so sleepy and adorable during the day, yet transform into swift, silent hunters by night, giving neither tiny mice nor fluffy rabbits any chance of escape? Let's explore some fascinating facts about owls. Owls belong to the order Strigiformes, which includes birds of prey that are mostly nocturnal by nature. The true owl family, Strigidae. These owls are recognized by their large heads with rounded facial discs, short tails, and mottled, camouflaged plumage. The group includes scops owls, eagle owls, tawny owls, long-eared owls, and many others. This family contains the vast majority of owl species. The barn owl family, Titanidae, represented by just over 10 species, they stand out with their distinctive heart-shaped facial discs. Barn owls typically have long legs with powerful talons, medium-sized bodies, and an unmistakable, ghostly appearance. Most owls are perfectly adapted for hunting at night. Their dark, camouflaged plumage keeps them hidden, their specialized wing structure makes flight nearly silent, and their enormous eyes are able to capture even the faintest traces of light. Speaking of eyes, owl eyes are actually fixed in their sockets and face only forward. Unlike humans, they can't roll their eyes to look around. Instead, this limitation is balanced by an incredibly flexible neck. An owl can rotate its head up to 270 degrees, while humans manage only about 90. Another fascinating fact: female owls are larger than males. Why? There are several theories. One of the most accepted is that since females stay behind to incubate the eggs and guard the nest, their larger body mass allows them to go longer without food, making them better suited for this demanding role. Fact 2: owls swallow their prey whole. Just like snakes, owls don't chew. A mouse, frog, or small rabbit is gulped down in one piece. Inside the digestive system, the soft tissues are broken down, while indigestible parts like bones, fur, feathers, or claws are compacted into a pellet. A few hours after eating, the owl coughs up this pellet. By examining these pellets, scientists, or curious kids, can figure out exactly what the owl ate recently. Fact 3: an owl's hearing is 4 times better than a cat's. That's right, and cats already have famously sharp hearing. The tiniest sound, the rustle of a mouse, a squeak from a small bird, or the faintest movement of another little creature, is enough for an owl to launch a lightning-fast strike in that direction. Fact 4: what's the difference between an owl, an eagle owl, and a little owl? All of them belong to the order Strigiformes, but they are very different birds. Among owls, the most recognizable species are the long-eared owl and the snowy owl, also called the white owl, which is listed in the Red Book as an endangered species. The Eurasian eagle owl is the largest bird in the owl order. Its plumage is usually reddish-brown or ochre, with striking bright orange eyes. One of its most iconic features is the tufts of feathers sticking out from each side of its head, which look like ears, though they have nothing to do with hearing. Eagle owls live across forests and steppes of Eurasia and prey on rodents, crows, hedgehogs, hares, birds, and other vertebrates. Unlike many owl species that prefer to hunt only at night, the eagle owl is also active during the day and has excellent vision in bright daylight. Fact 5: the little owl, small but fierce. Species like the little owl and the sparrow owl belong to the owl family too, just like the typical owls and eagle owls. Despite their modest size, they are remarkably skilled hunters. For example, the little owl is considered one of the most aggressive and powerful feathered predators, both day and night, in its weight class of just 180 to 200 grams. Bonus fact: elf owls. The tiniest of all owls are elf owls, which live in the deserts of the US and Mexico. Unlike their larger relatives, these mini owls feed only on insects, yet they're just as efficient and determined as any raptor. Owls mate for life. Owls form monogamous pairs, staying with the same partner. Interestingly, most owls don't build their own nests. Instead, they move into natural crevices, tree hollows, or abandoned nests made by other birds. Marsh owls, however, are an exception. They construct nests on the ground, hidden in thick vegetation. These birds can reproduce more than once a year, but everything depends on food supply. If prey is plentiful, they may raise multiple broods. If not, they limit themselves to just one clutch of 3 to 10 eggs. Here's the video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.